Types of resources: natural resource, human-made resource, human resource. So first we will study up natural resource. Natural resources are obtained from land, air, water, animals, the air we breathe, the water in the rivers, lakes. Natural resources. Many of these resources are free gifts of nature. Natural resources are classified into different groups. First is on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic. The living things such as plants and animals are biotic resources. Abiotic resources, the non-living things such as land, water, and air belongs to abiotic resources. On the basis of development and use, the resources which are presently not in use but can be used in the future, the quantity and quality is not known to us. That is called the potential resources. Actual resources, the resources which are present in use and the quantity is known to us, is called actual resources. The example of potential resources is uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resources. An example of actual resources is coal in Jharia mines, black soils of Deccan Plateau are the example of this actual resources. On the basis of renewability, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable, these are the resources which can be renewed or replenished again after their use. These include air, water, soil, forest, wildlife. Non-renewable, resources which cannot be renewed after use. For example, minerals and fuels are the example of non-renewable resources. On the basis of distribution, ubiquitous and localized. Ubiquitous means the resources which are found everywhere. Example, air, water, sunlight. Localized, the resources which are found in certain areas. Example, copper, iron ore, uranium are the example of this. These are also called the precious resources. Why? Because their availability of these resources is limited and the distribution is localized. It is called the precious resources.